Today we are going to install the Palo Alto Network's PA-410 into the RM-PA-T6 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Palo Alto Network's appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, one front plate, 4 zip ties, and 4 M3 bolts. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the Palo Alto appliance. Remove the bolts situated on the bottom of the appliance. Place your device on the rack with the connections facing towards the front. Using the 4 bolts provided, fix the appliance from the bottom of the rack. To install the power supply, put the zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply on the rack between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Secure the cables with the zip ties provided. Also, tie the excess length of the power cable down with a zip tie. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the kit into a cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.